In this video, I will show you how to view someone TikTok profile without them knowing. So the step are so simple to follow. As you can see now if I tap on this profile, as you can see now, this person profile, as you can see now I can be able now to see all the videos of this account. But now the person can be able now to see my account that I view his profile. So if you want to just hide your account from someone to see that you view his profile, just follow the step that I'll show you now. All you have to do now, the step to do, you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now tap on this three dot O menu at the top right side. So after you come to this menu, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says logout. Tap on this logout again. So as you can see now I log out on my TikTok account. So as you can see now I can be able now, if I tap on this person profile, so as you can see now I can be able now to see all the videos of this account, and this person cannot be able to see my TikTok account as I view his profile on TikTok, because I have already signed out on my TikTok account. That's it, guys. If you want to just view someone profile on TikTok without them knowing, all you have to do now, just sign out on your TikTok account and just go and view the person that you want to view his profile on TikTok easily. The person cannot be able to see your profile that you view his profile on TikTok. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.